So this radiator is not getting warm, or very little warmth to it. I've taken the head off, but as you'll see, it's slightly warm at the top and freezing everywhere else. Whereas this one is lovely and warm. So what we need to do is we need to pull that pin up there, and this will start to get nice and warm. So what we do, get a set of grips, and we put it on there, and you wiggle it up like so. You'll start to see, look at that, start to go yellow. Look at the temperature creep up, 38. It's an ideal situation that TRV wants changing. But for now, get some heat in this radiator. There you go. So that ideally wants changing. But that is how you check that radiator's working or not.